Okay, yet another waterfall. This one more impressive than the first one we saw. Kind of see behind me. It goes down there somewhere. Also, you can see behind me this nice steel cable to hold on to in case the trail gets a little too steep. You can see Jeff over there demonstrating its use. And as we walk, you can see just how narrow and steep the side of this is. This tree stumps way down there. It's kind of a perspective. Yep. So look down there. Get an idea of just how high. Dan maintains this was formed during Noah's flood, but I'm sure most logical, reasonable people would totally disagree with him.
What?
But he's hard to shake out of his staunch Catholic beliefs. Yeah. He was, after all, baptized.
I was a baby. I had no choice in the matter.
That's what he says, but he was a very smart baby. I have a feeling he was wholeheartedly involved. Yep. Sorry, sad for him to have to admit. As you walk along, you see again the steel cable running along the side here, and if you look ahead of us, it's getting pretty interesting. You keep going, Jeff.